Okay. So this is our quantum continuous discharge magnetic sweeper. This is the rare earth powered model. It's based on the same chassis as the gamma magnetic sweeper, but obviously it runs on the rare earth powered magnets, which gives you significantly more pickup power, makes it half an inch more pulling power. So every time you go over a crack, as long as it's less than 1 3/4 inches, you're not going to have a problem. So with this magnet, you also get the clutch drive wheels, which allow you to do this. So without having to pick the magnet up or skid the wheels or anything like that, you can just do any tight turns and not have to worry about lifting it. So this magnet will hold 42 pounds a shot in this bin up front here. So what that allows you to do, and what the owner of this site has said, is that it allows you to just go longer and faster. So the faster you walk, the faster the magnet gets cleaned off, so it spends less time spending, its magnetic power holding things and more time pulling. So that maximizes the strength, and also, like the site owner said here today, you don't ever have to do a second pass. Once you go over with this thing once, you got everything. You don't have to worry about going for a second pass because it's not losing any power as you're moving. The normal magnets are losing power for every piece you pick up. These aren't. So every time you pick something up, it stays in the bin. The only time you're ever going to have to go over a place again is if the bin is so full it's overflowing, which does happen. And it looks like I just did about half of whatever they've shot blasted here today in the span of maybe this 2-minute video. Because you can just walk along as fast as you want. It's a really easy job. There's no bending over. Well, there's a little bit of bending over, but there's not much bending over. You just walk along, pick up all these shots, and put them back in the machine, let them run again. This shot's infinitely reusable until it's literally just dust. So by reusing it, you're being less wasteful, and you get a better finish when you're done. So even on the areas they haven't even shot yet, you just run her over. This thing's pretty slick. It's very light, easy to maneuver. So there you go. This is a new quantum magnetic sweeper. Super blue powered, sealed drive wheels, sealed bearings, 500-pound weight capacity on them. Pretty nice.